Menteri Rangba ka jala Konrad ke sangma Pyntip hapo ka yingdor bar thau an baka sarkar jala klas dang ban pentre kam ya ka New Shillong Water Supply Scheme kabala mang ha ka jinglot ka ban kon nyos pa klur tingka ka jingpyntrei kam ya ka New Shillong Water Supply ka dang sdang bat ngi kermen baka nyarap shu hak baya de baka jingpen biang ha ka nong ba Shillong bat ki jaka ba marjan ong Konrad ha ka kendai trik nailur Menteri Rangba ulak dauru halor ka jingtmu ban pentre ka wa rentem water project ka ban penmi salai plai million liter ka ha ka shisngi ha ka ba ka wa ngot hadauki kan long ka telong kani ka project kan yarap ban penbiang ya ka bam di hapo ka than na kaliang unongelam kaliang persya umukul sangma ulapan pa ka jingsngo khia halor ka jingyai ne jong ki telong da ka bakdaw halor ka jinglong jingman ha ka maryang bar ka jingkla ha ka sunbeneng haba juba Menteri Rangba ulak daw halor ki sinjam balashim da ka sarkar ban le halor ya kini jing lingba ki project bala betingka na shabar externally aided project ki ba plet jingmod halor ka rukam pendankam ya ka spa maryang ka jingpen ya ki shingyar baka jing a jingada ya ki jaka balang ne catchment area ulaban jorru halor ka jingkong san jog Meghalaya Climate Council ka ba ulak khli daladi hi bat ka bakenthop ya barok kitnat ki badan benta ka council ka dei ka bala beten linti da ka state water policy ka bala pentre kam house nam arjar khat khandai Gidei ka jala ka baringkong bandan ya ka water policy ong Konrad haba badrap baka sarkar kadang trei ban pentik na ka benta ka jingpen ne pensa ikitelong khamtam haba khmi halor ka jingdan ju ki bami na ka jingkala ka jinglong jo ka sunbeneng Menteri Rangba ulapan paru halor ke jing ki ba ki nongrab ka jala ki yakendo namar ka jingduna slap ka bakot 100% mentau snam what happening kini jing Henry na kala ka sarkar kadang pentrei sha ya ki project ban penne pensa ki telong bat run penbiang ya ka jing sam ha ka jala ula ong
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think no, remember once more.
The new Shillong Water Supply Scheme, as you know, is also in the pipeline. Already about 700 crores has been sanctioned for that project, and that also will impact overall water supply in Shillong area and the surrounding zones. So therefore that is one of the major projects. At the same time, sir, we have also exploring the options. We have got multiple options, but we have finally zeroed down on one particular one, which is the name of the project is on the river Ungot and Dauki River, the Warentem project, sir, is under very, very active consideration. And once this project comes in, it's on the eastern part of Shillong. And once that comes in, so this will also be something that will add about 33 million liters of water per day. So therefore, this is another major project that's coming up, but it's still in the planning stage. It's still in the DPR, so I don't think I can say that it is already sanctioned. But we have looked at and studied 4 options, and just so that people are aware that it's not that we're just looking at one or two things, but we had options of looking at the existing utilized perennial water source of the Wa Umyu at Moplang Dam. We had looked at options of Wa Umi for the existing water treatment plant at Moplang. We also had looked at Wa Suktia again for the existing water treatment plant in Moplang, and Warentem water supply was also looked at. So after looking at all of these and studying by the department and by planning department and the government, we have zeroed down that option 4 looks to be the most appropriate financially, as well as the impact it will have on the people of Shillong city. So all these projects out of this, we are looking at these, and as I said, the new Shillong water supply also is at a very advanced stage. A lot of work is going on. So we expect these few projects to add further relief to the overall water supply in the city, in capital city of Shillong and adjoining areas.
Kham Hashwa, Habajubab Halor Kanikaman, Uminturi Katanat Public Health Engineering PHE Umarkus and Marang, Ulapun Bana Mayaka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme GSWSS 3, Kapala Apkmi Linti La Slambha, Anla Pendap No Habanai Leber Jong Snam Ubanwan. Ha kanong ba Shillong, Kajingduna Lakmi Linti Bakanduna Shibun, Hadin Bala Pendap Yaka GSWSS Phase 3 Ulaong. Ulaong ba kajingdan kam ya ka umdi ka baman ka singi hasor Shillong, kentop ya jaka ke bampat syak kentop haga Greater Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 but 2 kalong san klur san pupralak laipo wajar litar. Baro kajingdan kam umdi ha Shillong kalong saw klur kat nyolak prapo wajar litar. Kajingduna ka umbam umdi ha Shillong kalong shiklur sawpo lak san pa wajar litar. Habapa syakasnong maulai, Umarkus ulaong ba, henripusaw lak, nyopusan hajar litar ke umbam na saman kasngi, kat ba kajinduna ke umdi kalong, ar penyolak nyopusan hajar litar, ar point nyopupra million litar man kasngi. Ha kabayade bat ke maulai, ka skim hapo ke JJM, kata ke Shillong, lo mau nei thlong mauyong, bat B113 WSS, menta kidang yaj, but bon taliki scheme kidang dan haka jingpyntrei ula benram.
Sir, the total amount of drinking water needed daily in Shillong city, including areas not covered under Greater Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 and Phase 2, is 5 crore 58 lakhs 30,000 litres. B. The total amount of drinking water supplied daily in Shillong. The total amount of drinking water in Shillong is 4 crore 17 lakhs 80,000 litres. C. The deficit / shortages of drinking water in Shillong is 1 crore 40 lakh 50,000 litres. D. The total amount of drinking water needed daily in Meghalaya is 92 lakh 50,000 litres. E. The total amount of drinking water supplied daily in Meghalaya is 64 lakh 75,000 litres. F. So the deficit / shortages of drinking water in Meghalaya is 27 lakh 75,000 litres. G. Sir, in Shillong city, the gap is expected to reduce on completion of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. With respect to Meghalaya, a scheme under JJM, namely Shillong, Lo Maunai, Thlong, Mawiyong, and B1, B3 WSS is ongoing, and a number of schemes are under process.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.